Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your control centers on iOS 18. So let's get started. First of all, pull down the control center. As you can see, it's changed and you can now customize it by tap and hold it. And now, after click the plus icon, add a control option. You can add different controls if it gets messy and you want to reset it back to the default layout. Here's what to do. For this, go to the settings of your phone, tap on the control center. You can simply search it from the search bar, type control center, and here's you can get it. In this menu, there's an option to reset the control center layout to factory settings. Don't worry, this won't delete any data on your phone, just the control center layout. Tap reset control center and now when you pull it down, you will see it's back to the original layout. That's how you reset the control center on your iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.